Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to level up your king in Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Clash Royale application, which of course I've done right here. Then next thing is, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find Clash Royale on Apple Store or Google Play Store. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through the on-screen instructions to download and install the app. So after downloading, it's going to take you right into the battle screen. So in the battle screen, you're going to be asked to pass through the first phase of your tournament. So after passing through that training phase, it's going to take you right into this window, which is your home screen. So in here, you can now explore a lot of activities to have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now that we have to hop into today's stats, and that's how to level up your king in Clash Royale. So from this window, check the top left corner of your screen. Extreme top left corner, you're going to see that crown icon in there. So go ahead and click on that crown icon just right next to the one that is there. So click on that. And now you have the King's Journey. So this is a clan. I'm currently in level 2, and the next level is to level up your chest, and the next is the King Tower level, and I'm just in 1. I have not even unlocked level 2 yet. All right, and then these are all of the features that you can get once you keep increasing. So this is the King Tower level. So increasing your King level makes your tower stronger and unlocks exciting new features. And increase your king level by upgrading cards and donating cards to your clan mates. So that's the process that you need to take to increase your king level. So number 1, you need to upgrade your cards, and number 2, you need to donate cards to your clan mates. So head over to clan at the bottom right corner of your screen. Head over to clan and donate. So this person has cards received, so go ahead and click on donate to donate. You can donate, click here to donate some cards. All right, donate some cards to your clan members, and that way it increases your chances of leveling up your king. And click on request cards for you to constantly upgrade your card. And then for you to also upgrade, in fact, for you to access all of those features, it means you need to keep playing your game. So engage in more battles. Click on this battle and engage in more battles so that you can increase in level and increase in ranks. That's the way, once you increase in levels, you'll be able to unlock features like requesting cards and donating cards to your clan members. So that's pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.